stay competitive, Europe's manufacturing industries urgently need a new generation of intelligent robot systems. Systems that offer a truly symbiotic collaboration between human workers and robots.
Symbiotic is a project we try to combine the flexibility, adaptability of a human being with the speed, accuracy, controllability, even predictability of robots, putting them together to have a system that can be greater than just 1+1.
15 research centers, universities and companies from all over Europe have joined forces in the Symbiotic Consortium to develop new solutions for a safe, robust and reliable human-robot collaboration.
We are competing in a global environment where effectiveness is very important. Today we have fences, and that is of course not the most effective way, but to work in a fenceless environment, working closely with robots and humans, that is for me the vision.
So one of the main goals of Symbiotic was to develop a novel hybrid assembly ecosystem that guarantees the safety of human workers in a dynamic and intuitive, yet cost-effective working environment.
So we've used an ordinary ABB robot and added different kind of cameras to have this functionality that you could identify the worker, you could see where he or she is. So we are trying to show what could a robot cell look like without ordinary fences.
An active collision avoidance system is permanently tracking the workspace to detect the worker's position and distance to the robot. But a truly collaborative robot system must not just ensure the human safety in a fenceless environment. It should also support the worker with the tasks at hand.
The system gives instructions to the operators what to do, but you can also have how to do it through animations and different kind of CAD drawings, etc., etc. But you can also set the system so it adapts to what kind of expertise do you have. Am I a beginner or am I an expert? And then I've given different kind of instructions.
The instructions for the operator can be displayed on any kind of screen, no matter if it's on a tablet, a mobile device, or even on augmented reality glasses. With these new methods and tools, the system really becomes a cooperative support for the worker and helps to increase productivity and quality.
Symbiotic, start, next step.
Another intuitive way of communication are voice commands.
Symbiotic, show me the part.
Telling the robot what to do, the same way as telling a colleague, is a very effective way of robot control.
Symbiotic, okay.
Even though in other situations, a synergetic robot must be able to react autonomously.
When we put a human and a robot together, it is in a dynamic environment. In this situation, we cannot use a pre-generated control code. Robots need to be controlled adaptively, based on the real situation.
This means whenever something unexpected happens, the robot reacts by readjusting its workflow and motion to the circumstances. Besides the collaborative aspects, a symbiotic robot system must also offer simplified methods and tools for robot programming, so that even non-expert users can easily create new program sequences according to their needs. By using drag and drop, predefined function blocks can be arranged and customized to build a new workflow. As a result, robot programs can be created much faster, and the system enables cost-efficient automation, even for small lot sizes. An additional dynamic task planning tool can then be used to allocate the designed program sequences to the corresponding robot cells. Based on availability and the capability of robots and workers, the Planning tool then schedules the tasks and automatically creates suitable assembly sequences. So whenever another worker logs into the system with his worker ID, the system automatically activates the workstation and adapts the program sequences and parameters of the robot accordingly. This allows the seamless integration of multiple manual workstations and brings a wide range of possibilities to deploy robots within the uncertainties of a shop floor.
This is a project, so this is just the beginning. This is not the end, this is the beginning, and we are not aiming to do something just theoretical, but also something that works in reality.
And also that could be used beyond the scope of the project.
The uniqueness of this project is to combine different technology together seamlessly and make it work.
Human workers and robots working in close symbiotic collaboration is key to enhance the scope of robot applications in all industries. Therefore, the Symbiotic Project is providing concepts and solutions to make truly cooperative robots a reality.